Hi, this is Abby, your DaVinci Resolve certified trainer based here in Dubai. And today, for Simply Resolve, we are going to create different bins inside the media page. So I'm going to open the project, this one, creating bins. And I already have here clips that I'm going to use for my project. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open and then select the clips that I want to use. So here, I can create a new bin by clicking this new bin and then just rename that. For example, ending credits. So on my video clip, I just have to move my ending credits manually to that specific folder or specific bin. And then how I can create a smart bin and why is this very important or helpful for everyone. So I'm just going to right click and then create a smart bin. So the smart bin, what it does is that it will populate all of the clips that you need for your project, and then you don't have to manually sort them. So this one will play around the available metadata of your media files. I'm going to create a B-roll. So I just want to sort all of my cutaways, all of the available cutaways. So I'm just going to select on the media pool properties, metadata and shot and scene. And then I'm just going to search for keywords that does not contain interview. Because as you can see on my smart bin, I already have a keyword folder. So that means that I already have a smart bin that's containing all of the interview files that I have. So for this one, as you can see on my window, this is already sorted, the cutaways and the audio. But I don't want my audio to be included on my B-roll. So I'm just going to add another parameter. So I just have to zoom in. So this part here, you just have to click on the plus sign. And then just select media pool properties. And then let's check clip type. It's not audio because I want to remove all of my audio files. So now I have my smart bin. So that's how easy it is to create smart bins inside DaVinci Resolve. So that's all for today, and I'm going to give you more tips and tricks on how to use and utilize the tools inside DaVinci. Thank you!